About 20 years I've been doing this, and I love it because it's my own natural hair. I can swim in it, I wash it, I can style it. If I need a curling iron, whatever, it's like your own normal hair. Last year, I went on vacation to Branson, which is just Branson, but still, you're able to walk around when it's windy, it's not going to come off, and it's just wonderful because I feel like me. I would say, if you can, maybe bring a friend with you, one of your best friends who's going to give them your true, how they feel, how you look. And it's not intimidating once you get in and you see all the styles. And you can go in and play. And it's fun. Different colors if you want. But once you get in there, you'll see that it's so much easier. And you'll know it's right for you. So if you're nervous or apprehensive about going into the store, bring a friend in. The staff is wonderful. Bravadas is wonderful. They're there to help you. They're there to listen to you and your needs, what you're wanting and what works for you and what wouldn't work for you. I would advise anyone just to give it a try. It doesn't hurt anything. You can go in, and if you decide it's not for you, at least you know. But I honestly think once you go in there, you're going to know, this is it. I'm hooked.